Ever wondered if just 3 natural ingredients could give you a polished, squeaky, clean face in one wash? Stick around. I'm putting this to the test right now. You'll see the fresh pack go on and then the residue that comes off. It's got dirt and all. Let's see if this really works. First ingredient, gram flour. This super cleanser has been a skincare secret for ages, known for its ability to deeply cleanse your skin. Next up, we have almond oil. This nourishing ingredient not only moisturizes but also helps in giving your skin a natural glow. It's the perfect partner to gram flour, ensuring your skin feels soft and refreshed. Finally, we are adding a splash of rose water, known for its soothing and toning properties. Rose water helps balance your skin while leaving it feeling fresh and rejuvenated. This final touch ties everything together for a refreshing cleanse. And just like that, we have rounded up all 3 ingredients: gram flour, almond oil, and a touch of rose water. Let the magic begin. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of each ingredient into a mixing bowl. Mix all 3 ingredients thoroughly until the mixture becomes thick and smooth, with no lumps in sight. If the mixture seems too runny, don't hesitate to add an extra teaspoon of gram flour to thicken it up. Alright, time to put this magic mix on my face. Let's see it in action. Before applying, ensure it's lump-free. Let's go. Using an applicator, gently spread the mixture evenly across your face. Make sure to cover your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, ensuring every area gets a smooth, even layer for the best results. Waiting time is 20 minutes. To remove the mixture, take a clean cloth or tissue and gently dry wipe it off with a bit of pressure. Avoid using water just yet, as there's a pre-step coming up before you wash your face. Now, check this out. Look at the dramatic change. The residue from the pack has turned significantly darker, showing just how much dirt it's picked up from my face. It's incredible to see the difference. Now, let's move on to the pre-step before washing. This step involves gently massaging the oil from the pack over your entire face. This helps to ensure all the benefits are fully absorbed before you rinse. Massage complete. Now it's time to wash it off. Pat your face dry Then follow up with toning and moisturizing to complete your routine. And there you have it. Fresh, dirt-free and polished skin with just 3 natural ingredients. Give this a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Stay radiant. Alright friends, today's video is going to be little different because we are turning something from your hotel room pantry into an amazing skincare treat. And to see how you can transform a common kitchen ingredients into a luxurious face pack and scrub. So, stay tuned to discover this unexpected beauty hack. Come on guys, let's head into the pantry and see what surprising beauty gems we can find. First, we have coffee powder. Next, grab some milk powder. And finally, some sugar. Now, don't leave the pantry without grabbing a stirrer. Now, it's time to transform this empty bottle into a container. Ta-da! Finally, aloe vera gel from our luggage. And there we have it. Our ingredients are all set. Friends, when we combine these ingredients, it promotes a radiant and even skin tone. I request you all to stick around to see the results and hear about my one wash experience. Let's begin the preparation steps with 2 grams of coffee powder. Then add 3 grams of sugar. Two grams of milk powder. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add a little water to mix it properly. Do you know friends, coffee powder and sugar gently scrub away dead skin cells, promoting a smoother and more radiant complexion. And if we talk about milk powder, then it has essential nutrients and vitamins that nourish the skin and enhances its health and glow. After blending all the ingredients together, please make sure you get this type of consistency. For the application, we will break it into 2 steps. The first step is scrubbing. Apply the mixture to a clean surface of your skin. After that, scrub the area in circular motions for a good 2 to 3 minutes. After you are done with the massage, just wipe it off. Now friends, after completing the step 1, now let's move on to the second step, applying the face pack. Apply the same mixture again and leave it to rest on your skin for 20 minutes. I am loving how this pack has a sparkling crystal-like appearance. It's truly captivating. It looks like the pack has dried now. Let's wash it off and see the fresh results. With a splash, the magic of the pack starts to show. It feels superb on the skin. Now, friends, let's revisit the preparation process. This time, I'll apply the mix to my face and show you the results. You can adjust the consistency to your preference as well. The blend is ready now. Hello friends. So, are you excited about this coffee scrub? I just wanted to show you the quick result by applying it on my face. We'll just wet our face little bit. Let's put little water. It's wet. Now you can start applying this scrub. But I'm showing you the step 2. So after exfoliating your skin for 2 to 3 minutes, the second step is to apply this and to leave it on your face for a good 10 minutes. So I'm direct going to that step. I'll demonstrate it. So please bear with me and let's start. Before applying, just make sure you are mixing it very well. Just mix it properly and with the stirrer only, you can start applying it on your face. The temperature of the scrub is below the room temperature, so you will feel cold while applying it. Make sure to cover every corner also. I'm looking so funny. You have to apply this scrub mask evenly. Friends, it's giving me a very cold sensation. It's actually acting like a cooling agent on my face. My whole skin has become chocolatey. It's actually looking like a chocolate, but the reality is something else. I'm almost done. Just checking it out that I have uniformly applied or not. Seems good. Seems good to me. What about you? Now I am going to wait for 10 minutes and then we'll come back to see the results. Just stay with me. I'm almost done with the washing. So just pat dry it. Trust me guys, It's looking so clean and clear. After you've done the washing, please don't forget to apply a toner. And when it will dry, don't forget to put mild moisturizer on it. I can feel my skin. It has become very soft. Please do give it a try. Don't just believe on my words. This is magical. So friends, I hope you have liked this video. Please try this at least once and see the amazing result in just one wash. You can use it every week also to remove all the dirt from your skin, and it will make your skin, it will give your skin a healthy glow. I will meet you all very soon with my next video. But please remember to subscribe my channel if you are new. And if you have become my family, then don't forget to like and share. And yes, comment also. So, until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.